everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Emeka, and as you can tell, I'm outside. Sorry for the noise because it's my dog and goats. I'm gonna come out here and feed them. And on my channel, I'm a mom of 4. I do cleaning motivation, laundry motivation. I do sorry y'all, I've been running today. We live on a farm. As you can tell, I'm gonna show you. Actually, we have a new animal on the farm. I'm gonna show it to if he let me get close enough to him. It's a billy goat. And also I do cooking videos, DIYs, crafting, and mom lifestyle content. So if this interests you, please subscribe, like this video, share it, comment down below, and returning subscribers, thank y'all again. We truly appreciate y'all for coming every week or every time we upload a video. And today's video, one of my subscribers asked me to do a little bit more. They like to see more of the goats, the new ones, my daily routine that we do when I have to feed them, or my husband have to feed them, or whoever else is out here that have to feed them. So with that being said, let's get going. He right there with the goatee. Guys, I hope y'all enjoy my farm life with my animals, and you saw my goat that I had with the goatee. That's our new animal to the farm. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and also don't forget to hit your notification bell to get notified every time we upload a video. And until the next time, bye.